Supporting battens need to be installed around the perimeter to support the trims. Use one batten for raised edge trims and two battens for drip edge trims. Measure and cut the slate batten and install it with the screws or a nail gun through the fascia, starting at the raised edge side with a single batten. It's advised at this stage to sight in or string-line battens and pack out to suit, ensuring a neater, straighter finish to the edge trims. Measure and fix the first batten through the fascia and then offset the second batten 10 mm lower than the first to allow the trim to sit flush on the edge of the roof. An A200 drip trim is installed where the roof meets a gutter. Curit trim adhesive should be applied before fitting. The trim should run to the edge of the battens and to the edge of any abutting wall. Fix to the deck using clout nails.